In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Turtle Trade Channels indicator in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. Any market will work here. It could be stocks, crypto, forex, or futures. Once your chart is loaded, move your mouse to the top of the screen and look for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the time frames and other chart tools. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and manage all the tools you want to add to your charts. When the Indicators window appears, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly into that search box so you can start typing. This search field is really powerful and lets you quickly find any indicator without scrolling through long lists. Make sure your cursor is active in the box before you type so your keyboard input actually goes into the search bar. Now, in that search box, start typing Turtle Trade Channels Indicator. As you type, TradingView will filter the results in real time. You should see options related to turtle trading or channel indicators appear in the list below. Look carefully and select the Turtle Trade Channels indicator that matches what you're looking for. Once you click it, TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. You'll notice new channel lines and levels appear over your price action, which are designed to help visualize breakouts and trend boundaries based on the classic turtle trading concepts. After the indicator is on your chart, you can customize it by hovering over its name at the top of the chart and clicking the settings icon. From there, you can adjust colors, line styles, and any default parameters so it matches your trading style and is easy to read on your screen. Taking a moment to fine-tune those settings will make the indicator much more useful and visually clear for your everyday analysis. If you haven't upgraded to TradingView Pro yet, check out the affiliate link in the description beneath this video. Using that link will take you straight to the TradingView Pro sign-up page and often gives you access to their current promotions, while also supporting this channel at no extra cost to you. Once you're on Pro, you'll get more chart layouts, more indicators per chart, and a smoother overall experience, especially if you're running multiple tools like the Turtle Trade Channels indicator. That's all you need to do to add the Turtle Trade Channels indicator in TradingView Pro.